Mauritius is famous for its beautiful beaches, unique wildlife, and rich biodiversity. However, many non-native animals introduced over the centuries have caused serious problems for the island's ecosystems. These invasive species often compete with native animals, damage habitats, and threaten biodiversity. Here are 5 invasive animals that have had a significant impact on Mauritius. 1. The Long-Tailed Macaque. The Long-Tailed Macaque, also known as the crab-eating macaque, was introduced to Mauritius several centuries ago. Originally brought from Southeast Asia, these intelligent monkeys adapted quickly to their new environment. Today, they are found across much of the island. Long-tailed macaques can cause problems for native wildlife by raiding nests and feeding on eggs, young birds, and other small animals. They also damage crops and can come into conflict with humans. Their growing population continues to place pressure on Mauritius's fragile ecosystems. 2. The Javan Rusa deer. The Javan Rusa deer was introduced to Mauritius from Indonesia in the 17th century. Initially brought for hunting and food, the species became well established and is now widespread across the island. Although admired for its appearance, the deer has a major impact on native vegetation. By feeding on young plants and seedlings, it prevents forests from regenerating naturally. This grazing pressure can alter habitats and make it harder for native plant species to survive. 3. The black rat. The black rat arrived in Mauritius aboard ships during the early period of European exploration and trade. Since then, it has become one of the island's most destructive invasive species. Black rats are skilled climbers and opportunistic feeders. They prey on bird eggs, chicks, reptiles, insects, and seeds. Many native species evolved without mammalian predators and are highly vulnerable to rat predation. Conservation programs on Mauritius often focus heavily on controlling black rat populations. 4. The Tailless Tenrec. The Tailless Tenrec was introduced from Madagascar during the 19th century. It was originally brought to the island as a potential food source, but it soon spread into the wild. This small mammal feeds on insects, worms, and other invertebrates. While it may help control some pest populations, it can also disrupt native ecosystems by competing with local species for food resources. Its adaptability has allowed it to thrive in a wide range of habitats. 5. The Asian house shrew. The Asian house shrew was accidentally introduced to Mauritius through trade and transportation. Despite its small size, it has become a successful invasive species across the island. Asian house shrews are active hunters that feed on insects, small reptiles, and other animals. They can compete with native species and may prey on vulnerable wildlife. Their ability to live close to human settlements has helped them spread widely throughout Mauritius. Invasive animals remain one of the biggest challenges facing Mauritius's unique biodiversity. From monkeys and deer to rats, tenrecs, and shrews, these introduced species have transformed ecosystems and threatened native wildlife. Conservation efforts continue across the island to control invasive populations and protect the remarkable species that make Mauritius one of the world's most important biodiversity hotspots.